And for them dirty boy, you come and go and like say them want style people. Them not in no position for style nobody. Who did you remember when Jaden no beard? Jaden no come from a place of nowhere. Who remember when Rosealee used to sell nuts and sex for cigarette butts? Who remember up to the point when Rosealee used outside toilet, she and everybody even pass her by? Don't Mr. Keith me, cause them one name up Mr. Keith who give me the name Mr. Keith there. Don't Mr. Keith my latte, cause look here me talk to Diamond she not learn. And I want to see Diamond Mada, you know. God no want to see Diamond Mada. I want to talk to Diamond Mada. I want to sit down and have a reasoning with Diamond Mada. You know them way the rocks on? I want to have a reason with Diamond Mada. I want to sit down and talk to them. Diamond can't so fool in a them time here. Diamond can't so fool. Because thinking Jaden and come and have attitude. I tell them and lead out them little fly by day, pitch by night boy there, you know. Nobody look at them have a learning disorder for true. Marvin now the diamond worse than figure it out. Marvin now the diamond worse than figure it out. Oh. Me did tell you, you know, figure it out is a dog shit. A whole heap of people figure it out set up. A whole heap of people like figure it out set up and enough of them don't hear what I say. Enough people don't hear all of them figure it out still and try to look innocent. I don't want the boy journal. I don't want him journal. Oh, I don't know. Out of Akeem, figure it out. And Marvin, figure it out is the worst. Let me say this too now. Out of Akeem, figure it out is the worst. You don't know figure it out, you know. They say figure it out and Jaden can par, you know. I shouldn't know them two they bad mind. Them two they have a piece of bad mind, you know, for strive. You never know that. But you still want to take things under filter and nurture it. That is not a problem. You don't have to believe when I say one day in a life, you not go say, you know, say Shebada did say this. One day in a life, me I tell you this. One day in a life, you not go say this. You don't know, figure it out. You don't know. You like to figure it out something, you know, and that take care of you and set up your life. Then send people come rob you. You don't have to believe what I say. You don't figure it out with no say, you're a game. And you want more than what you're a game. So you send people come rob you. Let me tell you that you can't tell them boy they know. You don't know, figure it out. Him are the first one to come up and talk, say him not chop people. And him not this and him not that. Never you trust them. Never you trust them. Me not ask you, not tell me and tell you no. Someone not just meet them. Oh, you don't know them. It's a wicked set of dirty people them. It's a wicked set of dirty people them. And sit down and play innocent. And them never do nothing yet in the world. Me say out of Akeem, figure it out. And Marvin. When you rather take Akeem over figure it out. True. Figure it out is a dirty germs. You don't know that bush doctor. All on the mind tell you now, you don't know that bush doctor. But you don't have to take what means say as law. Make the law prove itself. Wait. You don't have to take what means say, you know. Just make the law prove itself. Yeah, them pepper spray ticky but him win the fight. You can't beat them, you pepper them. Time will tell. And you saw him sit down and play victim. But me not trouble people, you know. You have to know them style. Them is like Jaden, they behind the phone. I say, yeah, you know, say, what you can do to that one, yeah. Anything you can do to that one, yeah, man, you do it, me send you food. You don't know them behind closed door. You don't know them behind closed door. You have to make when them pinch the logo for the entire camp. Yeah, once them pinch you, threaten you the logo for the entire camp. But on time I go tell, because you see, uphold pure evil from the app here. When uphold pure evil, once a evil, when uphold it. You said that bad? That bad? You not say bad yet, my baby. You never want Jaden mix up with them. Jaden can't help it because Jaden is just like them. Jaden is just like them. When Jaden set up nobody, Jaden come out and cry, the people set him up and then put money on him head when not him do it. You never know that? At that much you need to start watch. At that much you need to start watching. You never know that? Oh, Mona, if you never said that yet. Thank you very much, Sister Winnie. Mona, if you never said that yet. When time Jaden set up nobody, him first come out and cry wolf. You never know. If you want to know who Jaden set up, just watch one him a war. Just listen to him say, and you put how much money per man head, and him do it. So you never know that. Exactly reverse psychology. And him do it. Them are evil. You know to say figure it out can come on live and ball and show sad face and go on the most way. Dirty people them. Dirty people them. You never know. Them want to build series and them realize that for them series steal, for them story steal, for them content steal. Them draw for Lammy and show Lammy for Marvin. And I bet if Marvin willing to talk the truth, you hear how much things behind closed door we not privy to. Exactly, look at the Jenna incident. Look at the Jenna incident. And enough people don't look at it in a, you know, say me hear Jaden over liar. And liar say, so is this a new argument or a long time argument? Jaden can't answer. Jaden skip over the argument because he want bring down somebody to feel good. You never know. Oh. So you never know that? I only not smart and wise enough. I only not smart enough to see it. Only gravitate to everybody will come. Me like him, me like she, me like the old lady. Me like this, me like... No, this is true. Me like this, me like that. Me appreciate that one, yeah. So I never ball out within the 2 years time. Why you bring it back now? And when the child flap him show, you don't hear no more argument about it. Huh? You don't hear nothing more about it. They are evil. Me tell you, say them sit down and decide who them are going to bring down, who them are going to make phone call upon. You never know. Of course, you know, say Fabi tired. Fabi say she want him stop call upon him because every time him have no content, him draw fear. She said she want him leave her alone. Want him leave her alone. Him used to bad up the child, harass the child and beat the child. You never know because she have to cover up him secret. She have to cover up him secret. After Jaden no want no woman, you know say Jaden more comfortable around man. Me did always tell you, you know, who the think I go bust Baptism in a Jamaica and them, so don't look at me. Do not look at me. Me just open the gate and the whole of them fly through. Me not do nothing. Me not do nothing. Me just announce that the gate is open. Yeah. Me just say the gate is open, the gate is open. All me do, me say the gate is open, the gate is open. And the whole of them just fly out in a live and living color. Yeah. So sometimes when you see them still on live, I talk about say, sister girl walk, yeah, they mean it. Them nearly push me down. I trample me. Remember so when I dip on the borderline, I have to dip on it like a ballet dancer because it's tight. One foot me have to stand up on, my ballerina toes. You never know. And Rosealee have a style for your walk buy out the app. She has a style for your walk buy out the app. Remember when Cute Boss not talk with her because not talk for her, you know, because the money done she block Cute Boss. And now Cute Boss I look back the work. So we don't sit down and talk about Cute Boss is a lady with her head pan her body. She's a buyout dolly. She's a buyout dolly. Oh, she's a buyout baby. I'm telling you that. Now ask her no. She's a buyout. Them buyout she. A pay buyout to go on the app. Pay buyout to go on the internet. Just like how Mada sit down on the pan. I would never talk about a tie like that, you know. I would never talk about a tie like that. You understand about my daughters. Daughters. With her lip spoil and her tongue with heavy. No for them. Mada was the first one, was one of the first one of them will come out and say Akeem is batty man, and she know Akeem long time. And as them reach to Mada with 5 bills, Mada forget what she did that say. She can't remember up to today dear. Move the man, big bug. Yeah. Up to today dear, she can't remember. You know, remember when Mada come out when the Akeem incident, and me I say, Akeem, be quiet. The reason why everybody a jump up on you so, and because you're too out there. You know, remember when me dey on my fridge top I say, all of them something, you know? You know, remember when me dey on my fridge top I say, all of them something here. Dementia kick in for true. For true. Too cute, dementia kick in. Dementia beat Mada bad. But I would never say that and a pay little picnic Mada used to have in a casino. Go ask Tobago or Trinidad Terrace. Go on up a New Kingston, go ask them. Jesus, I forgot what the place name. The casino place. Anytime I get the casino place, I tell you now. Go and ask there. Go and ask right there so. Yeah. Them not remember for them past. But them come now talk about say, I'm a sister still, you know. I'm a sister still. I'm a doctor tell no lies still now. I would not talk about a child. Mother go on. Because this is Macy from Bank, calling from Bank of America. Treasure hunt. Treasure hunt. Thank you no. Treasure hunt the place name. And I'm telling you something. Mother has no respect to nobody. A broke life humble mother now. Broke life humble mother now. No. Broke life. Mother was one of the ugliest one in a casino. And she go on like she's the cutest and she treat everybody bad. Make me tell you this. It's broke life humble that lady on the bed. It's true. It's broke life. Make me tell you something. When Mother scam and Mother have all Animal Planet a country. And she rent all the vehicle them. And the young pretty boy them drive it. And the young pretty boy them drive it. And them have to sit down so. See Mother there the casino table and them sit down so. And them a drink something. Yeah. Until our morning. Till our morning. Now ask you now. And the workers them in a treasure hunt, they don't like Mother. They don't like Macy. They never like Macy yet. You never know? Never like Macy yet. Because she angled them. She angled them like she had the hottest thing in there. She treat them like dog. So when you see her play with her little poodle, she treat people worse than how she treat her dog. Them don't remember them time then. Yeah. Ask the lady on the bed. They don't remember those times. So all this them a kick up and a reel up. And not about the them not come about me. Cause them have dirty past. And one thing me never Holy Ghost go and sweep up my history while me are going on my future. Me I tell you that's why them not qualify for chat nothing about me. Them not in no position for talk about me. None. And if you notice that the whole of them, all of our hype are people who now come from nowhere. We are go down the line. Who remember when time Jaden did hungry like dog? Who remember when Jaden did hungry like dog? Who remember when the man without shirt of a cook and give Jaden? Who remember when Jaden did come from a place up nowhere? Who remember when Jaden never have no clothes? Jaden no like beard. Jaden no live nowhere. Who did remember that? Come on, cause I'm not gonna laps. I will slap on across on the face with something, you know. Who remember? And for them dirty boy, you come and go and like say them want style people. Them not in no position for style nobody. Who did you remember when Jaden no beard? Eh? Jaden come from a place of nowhere. Who remember when Rosealee used to sell nuts and sex for cigarette butts? Who remember? Who remember up to the point when Rosealee used outside toilet, she and everybody even pass her by? Even people off of the street can shit in the toilet when them did have in the yard. Who remember when she talk about show your bathroom? I tell you, say so them stay. Show your bathroom. Who remember when Rosealee toilet was for the community? If you feel like you want shit and you can't bother go down your yard, go in there, so all you have to do is stand up on it. Even passerby. So I don't know who now behave so not want to like when a lapse in memory. Eh? Thank you. Who remember when she couldn't open her door? Who remember when the camera up in her face so? Who remember when the ceiling did not come down? Who remember? And what year she graduated from UBS cable? USB cable. And what year she graduated from USB cable? Who remember when Jakes kicked the cable and the light in a complete darkness? Woo! Woo! Not even matches. Who remember when Rosealee never have no fridge? And these are just what year we attack. Cause 1 year now she and Akeem there. Who remember? Who remember a year ago when Rosealee lived like hot shit? Eh? Who remember when Rosealee have to put juice in a lammy fridge? Who remember when time Rosealee she have to shit which part she there and piss which part she there because the toilet is too far outside? 1 year ago. Yeah, who remember when a Jake's buy salon who could I hear thank you my baby? Eh? Who remember when a Jake's buy salon who could I hear? Cause Jake's with the chest did favor grill. You could have throw a leg quarter upon it and you get jerk. Who remember when she used to spike Jake's with food and money? Who remember? It's just a year ago. The memory is not that far. So when she talk about Marcia, show the toilet. Remember, say your kids that use Marcia toilet. Your kids them use Marcia toilet. Your kids them use everything from Marcia. Who remember them something there? And the whole of them sit on the app now. I use them history cause people. Child move. Move because I pay after 9 you used to eat rice. Pure after 9. Eh? Who remember when beer buckle did underneath her bed and banana chips bag and cheese sticks bag, all big food and tigers and the rest of garbage? Who remember when time she used to eat and spit the bone on the floor? Huh? I just a year ago. I'm not far. I just a year ago. But no, we don't remember them something they do. And don't have them people that sit down on the app and go like them more than uno. You know, see the people that are walking on the history because we're not supposed to reach further than them, you know. Yeah. Nobody don't remember when time my daughter come in after 9 to 10. And she never mirati the way you did there. Because it look like her daughter come from work. She sit down for life for the entire time and never miss the child. Who remember when time the kid that watch? Who remember when time Shanta watch Rosealee and Barbara clothes from she 9? And I tell Rosealee, said, no, me now watch no more your drawers, them too big. Eh? Who remember upon life everything talk? I don't know makeup and never them gate me a pass on ear. Everything talk on live. Who remember time she sitting in front of her daughter and say she dash her how much belly in her daughter I beg her do not dash her no more. I just a year ago. Just a year ago when the child was 10. Now she's 11. Who remember? Oh no, remember them something here. Remember me never passed them gate here upon the live. Upon the live. Remember? Who remember when time she and Jakes that were upon live? And she upon and they picking them in their house. Like when Aga give birth. And they picking them in their house. Who remember? Come on man, it's just a year ago. It's not long. When I go like say people still not tell lie upon them. No one not tell lie upon them. I them something to remember. Exactly, she and TikTok boss was on live the same time when she depend and TikTok boss I say what is so and it's not one time she do it so it's not one time she do it. Yeah, and the kids them in the house. Then you see picking them and go fast. So when I sit down and I say she's a good mother and I work out the mother part and the good part for me. Too cute, they depend on the live there. Okay. She not hide her nastiness because I tell her say them a low life. Them come and normalize every sort of nastiness. You don't never know. That is why she can't reprimand her daughter and talk to her daughter. Because she do everything in front of the picnic them that is bad and nasty. So you don't realize these are the stuff she normalize. Yeah? These are the stuff. So that is why the little girl have to speak to her like a grown folk. Because the little girl wash out her destruction out her dress from 9-year-old. From she 9, she put on big washing in the yard. You never know. So just in case you don't forget, I will drag on down memory lane. Yes, Roxanne is just the truth. Ask anybody, nothing with me and say me a build story. Me not build no story because me no Louise Benny granddaughter. In the one room. With the one fan pan the wall without covering. And it has swing very slow. And she depend. So and I go on the most way. Me not tell no lie. So when you're ready for come for me, come really good. You know. So when them attack, them and nobody. So anytime Jaden come remind him of hungry days, when he did hungry, him can't say belly full now. I'm still starving. Yeah. Me love you know, little more big up on yourself, stay blessed and keep it sweet. Live, laugh and love and put God before everything and everyone. Big up on a nice, clean, stay good self.